Let us start next question. Question number 51. The fifth term of a GP is X. Question number 51. Fifth term is X. 15th term is Y. And 10th term is Z. And we have to prove that X into Y equal to Z square. This is we want to prove. Okay. Let us start. What is fifth term? In GP,
X
but what is formula of fifth term?
A into R raised to 4.
Yes, a into r raised to 4, that is your x. Now 15th term means
A into R raised to 14 is equal to Y.
and a into r raised to 9 equal
9
to z.
equal to Z.
Now we want to prove x into y equal to z square. So let us start with left hand side. X into y. X means what? A into r raised to 4. Y. A into r raised to 14. So we get a into a square, and what we get r raised to
18.
18. Now this you can write a into r raised to 9 into a into r raised to 9. Check it. Is it true?
Yes, sir.
And this is nothing but z, and this is also z. So we get z square. That is our right hand side. So it's very easy to prove. Next question 52. The question is sum of three numbers in GP is 35 and their product is 1000. Find the numbers. So here we have to find out three numbers in GP and product is also given. So which number we have to assume? Let the numbers are. Tell me the numbers. Three numbers of GP. Which three numbers we have to assume when product is given?
A minus D,
A.
and A plus D.
This is for AP. Here the question is for GP.
GP.
So instead of minus you have to divide, and instead of plus you have to multiply, and instead of D you have to use R. So tell me, A upon
A
R,
divided by R, A into R.
into R. Let the numbers are A upon R, A and A into R. Here product is given 1000. So multiply. Now cancel R. So A into A into A cube equal to 1000 is 10 cube. So A equal to 10. So now your middle term is 10. And use the another information. Sum is 35. Sum means total. So A upon R plus A into R is 35. Put the value of A equal to 10. So we get 10 upon R, 10, 10 into R equal to 35. Take 10 in another side. So this 10 upon R as it is plus 10R. And what we get here?
25.
25.
Now take R LCM. So what we get in numerator?
10 plus 10 R square.
Take R in another side.
10 plus 10 r square is equal to 25r.
Divide each term by 5. See, each number is divisible by 5. So divide each term by 5. What we get?
2 plus 2r
2
square
plus
equals
2r
to 5r.
square is equal to
Now take 5r left side. And
2r
1
square
towards
minus
side.
5r plus 2.
Yes, factorize. 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4. So factorize 4, so we get 5.
2r
4 ones
square
are
minus
4.
4r minus r plus 2.
Take common. So factors are r minus 2, 2r minus 1. So we get r minus 2 equal to 0, 2r minus 1 equal to 0. Or either 2r minus r minus 2 is 0 or 2r minus 1 is 0. Means we can say that either r equal to 2 or 2r is 1, therefore r equal to 1 upon 2. So we get two answer of r, 2 and 1 upon 2. Take any one, select any one. So taking r equal to 2 and a is 10 already there. So numbers are a upon r, ar. 10 upon 2, 10, 10 into 2. So final answer is 5, 10, 20. Instead of that, if we take r equal to 1 upon 2 and a is 10, we get the same numbers but in reverse order. So we get 10 upon 1 upon r, 10, 10 into 1 upon r. Sorry, 1 upon 2. So we get 20, 10, 5. So we get same number either 5, 10, 20 or 20, 10, 5, and that is our final answer for this question. So whenever we have to assume three numbers, whenever we have to find out three numbers, and if product is given, better to take number a upon r, a and ar. Okay, do this question as homework. Let us do this question number 55. Find five numbers in GP whose product is 32 and product of last two number is 108. So here we have to find out five numbers. Question number 55. So which five numbers we have to assume?
A upon r square,
Correct.
a upon
Then
r, a upon a into r, a into r square.
correct. And use the condition of product. Product is given 32. Product is given 32. So a upon r square into a upon r into a into ar into ar square equal to 32. R square r cancel. We get a raised to 5 equal to 32 is what? 2 raised to 5. So we get a equal to 2. Now product of last two numbers equal to 108 is given. Which are last two numbers? Last two
A
numbers.
into r, a into r.
AR
Yes, that is 108. So we get a into a square, r into r square, r cube equal to 108. Put a equal to 2. Put a equal to 2. So what we get?
4
4 into r cube equal to 108. Divide by 4. We get
27.
27 is 3 cube. So only positive value is possible. That is 3. So r equal to 3. A equal to 2. So here A equal to 2, R equal to 3. Therefore, numbers are A upon R square, A upon R, AR square becomes
2
A
upon
means
9,
yes, 2 upon 9,
2
2
upon
upon
3,
3, 2,
2,
2 3s
6,
are 6, 6 3s are 18.
18.
So 2 upon 9, 2 upon 3, 2, 6 and 18. That is our final answer. Let us do this question number 54. Very good question. 54. Sum of four terms of a GP is 65 and sum of last two terms is 45. Find the numbers. So here GP is there and we have to find out four terms. So which four number we have to assume? Yes, please.
Uh,
A upon R cube, A upon R,
A
AR
into, yeah,
and AR cube. But listen carefully, these four numbers are useful when product is given. And in this question, product is not given, so don't assume these numbers. And assume normal numbers like AR, AR square, AR cube. Because product is not given. If product is given, then we have to assume A upon R cube, A upon R, AR and AR cube. So let the numbers are AR square and AR cube. Here, what information we have? Sum of this four number is 65. Let us say equation 1. And sum of last two term is 45. Tell me last two terms means AR square and AR cube is 45. Now we have to solve these two, but instead of solving these two, it's better to write the other two terms. Can you tell me what is A plus AR?
20.
20. Why 20? Because this is 45 is given in question number 2. So if we take 45 in this side, we get A plus AR is 20. And now better to solve equation 2 and 3 instead of 1 and 2. And for that, because it is in form of multiplication, A into R square is there, so better divide equation 2 by 3. So dividing equation 2 by 3, but from 2 you can take common from left hand side. What is common from left hand side?
A
Common
into R
A.
square.
A into R square. So what we get?
R.
1 plus R.
1 plus R.
And you can take A common. So what we get?
1
1
plus R.
equal to 45 by 20. You can cancel this, so we get only R square, and divide by 5, we get 9 by 4. So you will get R equal to plus or minus 3 by 2. Take its square root, take its square root. So we get 3 by 2. But two answer, plus or minus. You can consider only one answer or take only one answer. It's okay. So taking positive number. You can take negative number also. Taking R equal to 3 by 2. Taking R equal to 3 by 2. And from equation 3, you can put in equation 1 or 2 or in 3, any of these 3. Better one is 3. So let us put R equal to 3 by 2. So what we get? A plus A into 3 by 2 equal to 20. Simplify. So take 2 LCM. Take 2 LCM here. What we get here in numerator if we take 2 LCM?
2a plus 3a.
Equal to 20. Take 2 in another side. So what we
5a
get?
is equal to 40.
So A equal to 8. So now R is 3 by 2. A equal to 8. A equal to 8. R equal to 3 by 2. Numbers. Our numbers are A, AR, AR square and AR cube. So putting A equal to 8. So we get 8. 8 into 3 by 2. 8 into 3 by 2 square, 9 by 4.
9 equal 4.
And A into 27
27 by 8.
by 9. Sorry, 8. Now, numbers. This is 8. This is 24 divided by 2, 12. This is 72 divided by 4. Or you can cancel 8 and 4. So we get 2. 9s
18.
are 18. And here we get 27. So we get, now listen, if we take A equal to minus 3 by 2, we get different numbers because we get the same numbers in reverse order if the value of R is reciprocal. If R is 2 by 3, we get same numbers in reverse order. But here R is minus 3 by 2. And whenever R is minus, we get one positive value, then negative, positive, negative, like this. So if there is a question, find out all possible answers, then you have to find out both the answers. But right now it is not like that. So only you can find out positive value, that is okay. Once again, here we are not able to get answer in reverse order because R is minus 3 by 2. Okay. Now this question number 56. Find the sum of n terms of the following series. The first one, 9 plus 99 plus 999. Now if you observe this, these are the special type of questions, special series is there. If you observe this, they are neither in arithmetic progression nor in geometric progression. You can see the difference is, here difference is 90 and here difference is 900. So they are not same. So it is not AP. Even ratio, this divided by this is 11, but this divided by this is not 11. So we can say that these numbers are neither in AP nor in GP. And this is special series. Now listen how to solve this type of question. You have to learn the method. Instead of 9, you can write 10 minus 1. Here instead of 99, you can write 100 minus 1. Here you can write 1000 minus 1. Here you can write 10,000 minus 1. Like this. Now select the first term of each bracket. So it is 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus 10,000 and so on. And now see the next term of each bracket. It is minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. You can take minus common. So we get 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus so on. And now observe carefully. Just you have to split in this particular way. Now observe carefully. You will find that this is GP. First term is 10. Ratio is 10. And use the formula of Sn. So tell me, what is the formula of Sn? A into R raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1. This is the formula of Sn. Just for your reference, you have to write directly. Okay, so what is A?
10.
10. In bracket, R?
10.
10 raised to n minus 1 upon 10 minus 2. Now tell me, what is 1 plus 1?
2.
1 plus 1 plus 1?
3.
So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 10 times, 10 times.
10.
So 1 plus 1 plus 1, n times.
N.
N. So answer of this is n. So my final answer is 10 minus 1 is 9. So you can write 10 upon 9 in bracket 10 raised to n minus 1 minus n. This is my final answer. So 10 upon 9, the answer. 10 upon 9 into 10 raised to n minus 1. This is my final answer. Minus n is there. Now this question number 2, 56(2). 7 plus 77 plus 777 up to so on. Now this is also special question. So here you cannot write 10 minus 3 because here we get 100 minus 23, then 1000 minus 223. So we are not able to solve this type of question in that particular way. But there is a fixed method to solve this question. First, you can take 7 common. So what we get? Tell me if we take 7 common.
1 plus 11 plus 111 plus so on.
Correct. Now tell me if we do like this, divide this 7 by 9 and multiplied by 9. Is it okay if we do like this? Dividing
Yes,
by 9
Yes.
sir.
and multiplying by 9. And now keep this 7 by 9 as it is, but multiply this 9 with all these terms. What we get?
9 plus 9 plus 9 plus so on.
Correct. And we know the answer of this, that we already done in our previous question. So 7 upon 9, I will write the answer directly here. The answer is 10 upon 9 in bracket 10 raised to n minus 1 minus n. This is the final answer of my previous question. Check. 10 by 9, 10 raised to n minus 1 upon n. But in exam you have to write all this thing in exam you have to write all this thing in this bracket. So what is my final answer? Open the bracket if you want. Open the bracket. So what we get? 7 into 10, 70.
70,
9
9,
9 are 81.
81,
10 raised to n minus 1 minus this 7 by n,
7.
7 by 9 into n, we get 7n upon 9. So this is my final answer, or you can keep this as answer, no problem. So see the answer, 7 upon 9 in bracket 10, 10 raised to n minus 1 upon 9 minus n. So this is my final answer. Now instead of 777, 777, if it is 8, 88, 888, so we get same answer for that. 8, 88. First of all take 8 common, then divide by 9, multiplied by 9. So we get final answer like this only. 8 by 9. Instead of 7 by 9, we get 8 by 9, and this remain as it is. 10 by 9, 10 raised to n minus 1 minus n. This is my answer for question number 9. Instead of 7 by 9, here we get 10 by 9. Okay, let us do one more example. Extra example. If the question is like this, 0.9, 0.99, 0.999, and so on. So how to solve this question? Listen. Instead of zero point
Plus
0.9, you can
point 1.
1 minus 0.1. Here you can write 1 minus 0.01. Here you can write 1 minus 0.001. Like that. And now repeat the process. See the first term of each bracket. It is 1, 1, 1, and there is a plus sign. So 1 plus 1 plus 1. And from the second term, take minus common. So if we take minus common, what we get?
0.1 plus 0.01 plus 0.001 plus so on.
Okay. Now tell me the answer of this.
N.
And minus. Here our a is 0.1 r is also 0.1, and because r is 0.1, use the formula of Sn 1 a into 1 minus r raised to n upon 1 minus r. So tell me what we have to write here. What is a?
0.1
In bracket
1 minus 0.1 n upon 1 minus 0.1.
correct. So keep this n as it is, this 0.1 as it is, 1 minus 0.1 raised to n as it is, and what we get here, 1 minus 0.1 is
0.9.
what? 0.9. Now this 0.1 and 0.9 you can cancel point, so we get n minus, now you can cancel this, so we get here 9. So we get 1 minus 0.1 raised to n upon 9. This is my answer for this question. 0.9, 0.99, 0.999 and so on. So that we have to use for this question. Question number 4. See the question. 0.5, 0.55, 0.555. 0.5, 0.55, 0.555 and so on. Can you tell me the first step? Take 5 common.
नहीं भी करना चाहिए, क्योंकि पहले तुम बहुत सारी दूसरी चीजें एक्सप्लोर कर लो ना, उसके बाद तुम थर्ड ईयर में करो ना, तो ठीक है। और हमारा तो सेकेंड ईयर में कल ही है।
Okay, now divide this by 9 and multiply by 9. So we get 0.1, 0.11, 0.111 and so on. Now keep this 5 by 9 as it is and multiplied by 9. Multiply this by 9. What do we get?
0.9 plus 0.99 plus 0.999 plus so on.
And what is the answer of this?
1
n
upon
minus
n.
n minus 1 minus 0.1 raised to n upon 9. Yes, this is our final answer. See the answer. 5 upon 9 in bracket n minus 1 upon 9 in bracket 1 minus 1 upon 10 raised to n. See, 1 upon 10 raised to n is nothing but 0.1 raised to n. 0.1 raised to n you can write 1 upon 10. 0.1 is you can write 1 upon 10 raised to n. So you can write 1 raised to n is 1 upon 10 raised to n. But if you keep this up to this, no problem at all, you will get full marks. And this question, let us do this question. This is also a very good question. Fifth. 2 plus 11 plus 101 plus 1001 up to so on. Now think how to solve this question. 2 plus 11, 101 plus 1001. Tell me what is our
2
first
minus
step?
1.
See, instead of 2, what we have to write? Tell me. Instead of 2.
2 minus 1.
No, 2 minus 1 is 1, not 2. We want
1
say,
plus 1.
yeah, you can write 1 plus 1. Then,
10 plus 1.
correct, 10 plus 1. Then,
100 plus 1.
perfect, 1000 plus 1. And so on. Now, select the first term of each bracket. Tell me.
Common plus 1.
1 plus 10 plus 100 plus 1000 up to so on, and second term 1
1
1
plus
1,
1.
and what is first term here?
1.
1. Then what is r?
10.
Raised to n minus 1 upon 10 minus 1. And what is 1 plus 1 plus 1?
M.
And here you can write here a equal to 1, r equal to 10, and formula is a r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1. You can write in bracket like this. What is my final answer? Tell me. No need
1
to write
into
this 10 raised to n minus 1 upon
9.
plus n.
Plus n.
So 10 raised to n minus 1, 1 upon 9 plus n. You can write 1 upon 9 like this, 1 upon 9, 10 raised to n minus 1 plus n. But it's okay if we write up to this. So now try to find out the solution of question number 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. Okay, we will start from question number 62 from the next lecture. So try to solve up to 61 by yourself. If you find any difficulty, we will discuss in our next lecture.